Hi, Eric here. The first leg of Mai and William and I's journey during our month-long trip is going to stop in Bangkok for a few days. And where better to stay than the Hilton Sukhumvit Bangkok. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the tour, and I'm even going to tell you how much I paid. Well, in we go. Let's just see what there is to see. What does it look like in the Hilton Sukhumvit? One of the nicer hotels in the Bangkok Sukhumvit area. Sawadee Krap. And here we are in the main lobby. It's a very nice lobby, as you can obviously see. Very nice indeed. There's reception. They are very good at their jobs. Very nice appointments everywhere. There's the elevator lobby. This is a very nice restaurant right here. Mondo. Sawadee Krap. It's a nice little lounge. Now upstairs is where we are going to have our breakfast, but also our, I guess you could call it our evening beverages. Free flow evening beverages are included in the package that I have. Sawadee Krap. So this is going to be a huge buffet in the mornings, which maybe you'll see, but in the meanwhile there are little snacks as it is tea time. And these are the sort of little snacks that are available. The tea time is complimentary. Wow. What a nice, pleasant restaurant this is. Look at this. So our complimentary breakfast will be in this room. Maybe you might just try one of these little hors d'oeuvres. Salmon sandwich. How about that? Looks pretty good, right? And then this is going to be the back part of the lounge with these nice sofas. Pretty cool decorations. Okay. Next I'll show you the pool. Here we are on floor 26. And what do we have here other than impossibly good views of Bangkok? Well, the answer is you have a nice pool. So pleasant. Of course, the pool's going to have a bar. Wow, look at this. So it's a pool, a bar, and a restaurant all together. Down there is Phrom Phong BTS, right there. So now that you've seen the lobby and the restaurant and the pool, why don't we show you the room? And here we are on our 21st floor, which is, of course, where our hotel room is. So the location of this hotel is on Sukhumvit 24. Very, very central. Right next to Phrom Phong BTS. Just one down from Asok BTS, very central. And here's the room. Take a look. Here we are. So first of all, here's the main living area with just a luxuriously soft bed. Wow, so high quality. And they have provided for us a nice baby crib for William. And then you get this fantastic view right out this window. So we're actually looking out above M Cordier, which is right there. And again, down there is Phrom Phong BTS, and just a nice piece of the skyline laid out in front of you. So what else is there to see here? You get a really nice chair, very soft, comfy, very good lighting, a really nice table with HDMI and USB ports. So you can use a pretty big Samsung TV, a very large, very spacious closet right here, and then a really nice bathroom. I mean, look at this. I mean, I kind of want to sleep in here. It's so nice, to be honest. Massive bathtub, open shower. Like, it's a shower as big as a person's king-size bed. And then you get this nice bathtub. And there's a separate toilet. Very sensible Asian style. And it looks like it's got a bidet built into it. No bum gun here. So all in all, an extremely, extremely nice room. How about that? Let's go look at the included breakfast. Swadikap. Morning. Here we have a toaster, all kinds of bread, which they'll slice for you. Waffles, pancakes with honey and syrup. All manner of breakfast cereal, even all brands. Look at that. Looks like rabbit food, but I know some people like that. Then we'll have here, it looks like a morning, noodle station, and this is a common Thai breakfast right here. You find it everywhere that serves breakfast. Hummus. Wow, hummus. All kinds of fruit, particularly the kind you would often find here in Southeast Asia. Yogurt for the kiddies. Various meats and cheeses. Look at those fancy eggs. Oh, look at this. This is just sitting there, right there on the table. I'm gonna have to get one of those. Of course, you have to have the old omelet station. I'm sure they're amazing. Bacon, sausages, home fries, all kinds of delicacies in there. And ooh, look at this. Crispy potato skins. Carafes full of every imaginable breakfast drink. A coffee machine, which you can order coffee exactly how you want it. So what I'm saying is that it's really, really good. Now for the $1,000,000 question, which is how much is this room? We're staying for 3 nights here in Bangkok, and then on the way back from our next leg of our journey, we'll stay 3 more nights. So typically, this is going to cost at this Hilton Sukhumvit $200 per night, and that will not usually include the cost of breakfast or any of these other extras. So that should hypothetically be about $1,200 for all these different nights. So now the question is, how much did I pay? And the answer is I paid nothing. I paid nothing for this. That's not entirely true. The first 5 nights were completely free, and then the 6th night I had to pay $10. So 6 nights for $10. So you might be wondering, how did I do that? So as an American, it's possible to get a rewards card called a Hilton Honors card, and they usually have really big rewards for signing up new and then making a certain balance on the credit card. Maybe it's $4,000 in the first 3 months or something like that. And then you just want to pay it off immediately, of course. And then you get like 100 or 120,000 Hilton Honors points, which is what I got. And that was enough to buy all 6 of these nights. And because I was a Hilton Honors member, it also gave me like a free upgrade to this executive suite, and also the free drinks, unlimited drinks actually, every night from 5 to 7, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. And it also gives us the free tea in the afternoon as well. So all of that was free, and it's just a matter of getting onto that point scheme with the Hilton Honors card, because I could never afford to pay $1,200 for 6 nights at a hotel. I'm just earning about what a middle-class American would earn back in the USA. So the answer is that this was a free 6-night hotel stay. So it's really hard to complain about the quality of a place like this when it doesn't even cost you anything. So especially if when you're putting these balances on your credit card to get the introductory Hilton Honors deal, you're just paying it off immediately and not getting any interest at all, which is what I did. So yeah, it's great. Absolutely loving this place. So normally $1,200, but in my case, just $10, which is why we were here instead of some $30 a night place in some other part of Bangkok. So yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and continue to follow our journeys on our holiday. Have a great day.